How to calculate lot size with TradingView in seconds. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate Bitcoin lot size with TradingView in seconds, or actually how TradingView is going to calculate this for us. So let's have a look at the chart. Now we're looking at the Bitcoin chart and I'm going to place the long position. So I'm going to set my stop loss just below the previous wick and we're targeting our previous high. So now we can open the settings, so we can either click on this icon which is going to open the settings, or we can just double click on our position which is also going to open the settings. And in this example my account size is set up to $10,000. My lot size is 1. You can also find in MT4, MT5 what is your lot size. And then we have also risk. So in this example, let's say that I would like to risk 50 USDT per one trade. And if you'll have a look, our quantity has changed to 1.17. And this is basically your lot size. So if I would like to say that I would like to risk 1% of my total risk capital, of my total account size, now you can see that the quantity changed to 2.35. And if we'll actually check this with our Bitcoin lot size calculator, so if we have a look at cashbackforest.com website, where we can also calculate our lot size, as I showed you in the previous video, where you can find a link above. But if we quickly check this, so our entry point, entry price, it's 59,755. Then our stop loss is 59,712. And our account size is 10,000, and we said that we would like to risk 1%. And now our lot size, its contract size is 1, and as you can see it's exactly the same. So we should trade 2.35 lots, and if we'll have a look at TradingView, it's 2.35 lots, as you can see. So now we don't really have to actually use this website because TradingView is calculate lot size for us. But what is very important to ensure that you always check your account size, and you always ensure that your account size in TradingView matches what you actually trade on the platform or on the exchange. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you will save some time. Have a great day and happy trading!